this is a charge-free special edition. I put it on the Charge 2 Retro, and it's actually touchscreens. You can swipe, you can do exercise, run, bike, swim, treadmill, weights, interval time, or whatever the hell that means. Yeah, you can add them as well. You can add more, and you can have a relax thing. And there's timers, alarms. You have settings. I have my vibrations on strong. Weather. You have notifications on. Screen wake, whatever the hell that means. And payments only on the special edition. And it's 50 meters waterproof. And on the Fitbit app you can do a lot of stuff to customize it. And it has a 7-day battery life. If you just use it as a watch and you don't just use it like a little kid's toy sort of thing. And this is it compared to a 11-year-old's thumb, so it's about 2 yeah, it's about 2 of these, which is roughly about 4 centimeters by 3 centimeters. And it comes with a grey and black strap, which you can equip, and they're small and large. And the charger is good as well. So hope you enjoyed this video. I give this watch, or smartwatch, whatever you want to call it, got you 8 out of 10.